A globally renowned outdoor clothing and gear company operates with a strong emphasis on sustainability and product quality. With thousands of items and dual 6-month seasons, spring and fall, accurate demand forecasting is vital for their merchandising, inventory, and operations. Their existing forecasting struggled with shifting consumer demand and market trends, leading to inventory inefficiencies. With items varying by season, an advanced AI-driven solution was needed for accurate, granular predictions. The client faced significant challenges in forecasting demand at the style color level for approximately 7,000 items within their Product Lifecycle Management (PLM) system. The key issues were the need to predict demand at a highly detailed level, covering both styles and colors across 2 distinct seasons. Items were categorized as fold, multi-season, or no-fold, single-season, requiring distinct models. The client needed 12 to 18-month predictions for initial buys, long-term predictions, adjusted demand using in-season sales data for refined purchases, real-time updates to optimize stock levels. Many newly launched items had insufficient transaction history, making it difficult for traditional models to generate accurate forecasts. The client's demand was influenced by external factors such as housing market trends, mortgage rates, and weather patterns. These factors needed to be incorporated into the forecasting solution to improve accuracy. Soothsayer Analytics created a customized AI-driven forecasting solution using machine learning, time series algorithms, advanced feature engineering, and external data to address the client's complex needs. The solution used time series models and machine learning algorithms in an ensemble approach to ensure accurate demand forecasts, incorporating trends, seasonality, and external factors. The forecasting solution incorporated advanced feature engineering, including promotional features to identify key sales periods, planned promotional data to predict demand spikes, and external economic factors like housing prices, mortgage rates, and weather conditions to refine accuracy and capture consumer behavior patterns. The solution delivered forecasts for future seasons, current season updates, and weekly in-season demand, ensuring timely buy orders and optimized stock levels. For new items without sales data, a base item approach was used, leveraging data from similar styles and colors to estimate demand. This method effectively predicted demand for items with minor variations, such as different colors or design tweaks. The solution provided weekly demand forecasts aligned with the client's retail week calendar. This integration ensured smooth merchandising, inventory planning, and demand management within existing processes. Key outcomes included: the solution improved forecast accuracy at the style color level by incorporating promotional and external data, enabling precise demand predictions. Planned promotions and real-time updates allowed proactive planning, minimized overstock, avoided stockouts, and supported data-driven adjustments for greater efficiency. The base item approach ensured smooth new product launches, reducing stockouts and boosting customer satisfaction. Accurate forecasts optimized inventory, cut storage costs, and minimized overpurchasing during off-peak periods. The solution not only improved the client's day-to-day operations, but also positioned them for long-term success by making their forecasting system more responsive, data-driven, and aligned with market trends.